We started bidding this project in fall of 2020 in probably the most volatile bid market we've seen in over a decade. And having ICM involved early on was a huge benefit to the project. When we talked about different options, things that people wanted to add to the project, we were able to get real-time pricing through the design process and make those decisions early on. We have 4 construction projects going on campus currently. This project is by far the largest, and it has the most trades. We have some medium-sized projects and some smaller ones. Our smaller projects are experiencing drastic delays in material delivery and labor shortages. By having ICM involved in this project, we've been able to foresee those problems further down the line. Also, we were able to bid this project in phases because of the construction management model. So we bid dirt work very early and started that process before we really got to the point of seeing all these labor and material problems throughout the country. So, we bid site work in October, and then we bid some utility work a few months later, and then several months after that we bid the building phase. So we were able to get ahead of a lot of that. We threw them several curveballs along the way, and I think we're still giving them some. We bid site work, as I said, and then site utilities. Well, we were looking for some grant funding to fund those site utilities. So we delayed award of those bids by about 2 months, fully expecting to impact the project schedule. And they managed to work around that and has not impacted schedule at all. We've also added things along the way, scope creep, like I mentioned, and changes in finishes and changes in materials. And they've managed to move labor and production around to work with those changes. No project is perfect. So we have come across materials and design details that were not fully developed during design, and so they have been helpful with resolving those issues, bringing options to the table of how to resolve them with the least amount of cost to the college and the least amount of impact to the project.